Mr. Fink, I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because she is highly inebriated. She's a .224.
What does that mean?
Court recalls the case of New Parkridge Apartments versus Tubbs.
You'd say for the plaintiff, Your Honor, our decision to wait for Ms. Stubbs paid off. She's here.
State your name. Where are we on this case? And then I have a question.
There.
This, I usually don't bring
This
my
is the
phone.
worst thing that happens today.
I know, I never do that. I'm sorry.
Right out of the gate, the judge senses something's off. And she's not wrong. You can practically feel the tension in the courtroom. This isn't your usual procedural mix-up. It's about to turn into a full-blown sobriety surprise. Buckle up, folks, because when a judge's eyebrows go up like that, it usually means someone's morning choices are about to catch up with them.
I never have my
The sex offender registry still shows Mr. Gardner is living there. There's I found in there somewhere where it looks like there was some check made on 8/27 of 25, so in August of this year. I don't know what it means. I'm not saying that means they confirmed it, but there's a date in August of 25 in the sex offender registry records. And I did a Lexus person search, and apparently his driver's license is at her address still. She acknowledges that it has not been changed. I've given Officer Allen a default judgment. I think it could now be after hearing, and she says she wants to try to get this done, and so if the court gives her more than the 10 days.
Yes,
we want
because
to
he had went to the post office and changed all his mail, which last time I was here, I didn't know.
Ms. Tubbs, before you go on, have you been drinking?
Yes, I have a couple of beers, yes.
How much do you?
And there it is, the confession. A couple of beers, she says. But here's the thing. In court, a couple rarely means two. Watch how the judge handles this. Calm, professional, but you can tell she's doing the math in her head. Because showing up to court already tipsy? Yeah, that's not exactly the power move you want to make in front of a judge.
Yeah.
I drink beer. Like,
Okay, so how many beers did you have?
18 ounce or 24 ounce, yes. I would tell
Yeah,
you
that's the
that.
nice thing about the 24 ounce. You can say I only had 2 or 3 beers.
So you, this morning,
No, like,
can you get Teresa
Yeah.
down here with the PBT, please?
I will say like 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning.
This is where things get real. The judge just ordered a PBT, short for preliminary breath test, basically a mini breathalyzer on the spot. And that's no joke. In legal terms, it's a way to confirm whether the defendant is impaired enough to halt proceedings altogether. Translation? If she blows too high, this hearing might be over before it even begins.
Because that's what
2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, you started drinking?
that's what time I usually get up and drink milk beer.
Okay, so how many did you have this morning?
A beer.
Just one?
Uh,
One, what, 24 ounce?
24. I will acknowledge that, yes.
So that's like 2, but what kind,
I
what,
don't know how much come into 24 hours.
24 ounces. So, what kind?
But like,
Oh, of course. Bud Light. Why did I
yeah,
ask?
I drink Bud Light. I used to drink Miller High Life, but I drink Bud Light. I used to drink a lot of liquor, but Bud Light. Why would you ask me that?
Because I've got to determine whether or not you can adequately do this hearing. Mr.
Oh,
Allen,
yeah, Your Honor.
Mr. Allen,
I,
I'm going to give you a PBT.
what is that?
Okay. That's a preliminary breath test.
Oh, okay.
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 So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go back with Mr. Allen. And there's going to be a PBT. You just need to blow into the machine and then we're going to see. Okay. Thank you, Miss Tubbs. Watch your step. Okay. Bye bye. I know. Glad that's what came out of her mouth. All right. You know, there are times in life where I'm just afraid to call another case. just kind of take a pause and you just hope. Are they?
They're doing what they do.
Okay.
Some people wake up in a number that would send other people to bed.
I know. You know, I was just going to ask for breakfast, really? I don't think. Off the record? No, I'm going to say what I got to say. Because.
Okay. Right. Whoa. Whoa.
Who's getting that to whom?
I'm not really sure, but I'm afraid to go back and look. Mr. Lloyd, is yours simple? Where'd Lacey go?
Very fast.
Oh.
That's what Magnus said. And then, no.
All right, moment of truth. The PBT results are in, and the judge's face says everything. You ever see someone instantly regret asking a question? That's this exact moment. The courtroom laughter hides a serious undertone, though. If someone's that inebriated in front of a judge, it's not just embarrassing. It's legally dangerous.
We heard you.
Oh, holy. Hold on a second. Miss. Okay, Miss Tubbs? Okay.
Yeah, I already know. I was drinking last night too.
Yeah.
I already know what it was gonna be, Miss, Stunson.
Uh-huh. Okay, so let me first ask you this, and then I'll try to see what we're gonna do with your case. How'd you get here?
I got dropped off by my sister.
You didn't drive.
No, I don't drive.
That's probably a good
I
thing.
don't have a license, so I don't drive. Nobody.
That doesn't stop everybody,
And I'm
but
getting on the bus when
okay, so Mr. Fink, I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because she is highly inebriated. She's a 0.224.
What does that mean?
It means you are seriously.
That's probably about 3 sheets to the wind. Never mind. You don't know what off of one.
This is what makes this judge stand out. Firm, but compassionate. Instead of tossing the book at her, the judge gives Miss Tubbs one more shot. It's not leniency, it's accountability wrapped in empathy. Because behind the humor and the chaos, there's a real human trying to hold on to her home, her dignity, and maybe, just maybe, her last chance to turn things around.
No, you had more than one.
Okay, I played a drinking game too, so that was it. Oh man, did I say that out? I'm sorry. I know play the drinking game.
But that wasn't beer, right?
That was,
You were just talking about beer before.
yeah, I
Like,
did
you
have
were lying.
a beer at 3 o'clock or something in the morning, but I did play the drinking game the night before.
So,
He told the truth. And
And
nothing
then,
but
that's
the
the
truth,
truth,
but
but
not
I
so
didn't tell
much
the
the truth.
truth, whole truth. Joe Simpson, I didn't tell the whole truth, because I played a drinking game of life. I played a drink game.
Your Honor, the efficient thing to do would be to come back on Friday with a regular landlord tenant docket.
yes, it
But
would.
the kind thing to do would be to maybe come back the next Friday so she could have one more shot at trying to get him to the state police and get it to.
No, but the state police is way out in, right now have
You
transportation.
don't have to go there. Willie Gardner's gotta take care of this, or you're gonna get put out. And everybody-
Oh, he had to,
Everybody's trying to save their tenants.
I'm
You
just
need to
walking
get on the team with us.
oh,
So how about
come on, Mr. Simpson.
26, Your Honor?
Come on, what?
Judge Simpson, I do not need to be paid. I ain't had a permit in 15 years, and I finally got my own permit. I didn't know he was a sex offender or none of that stuff.
Okay, so
But when I come back, I'm gonna be
Just
here.
on the regular docket
On
on
the-
26.
on the 26th. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm going to adjourn this, and it's gonna go back to basically a pre-trial for September 26th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Cause
so
I'm gonna drink at 3 a.m. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
okay, I just Miss Tubbs,
I appreciate you, Judge. I really do.
Miss Tubbs.
Just not get beat up on first.
I know, but Miss Tubbs, here's okay. I'm giving you basically 10 days to sober up and get that.
Right today. I'm not drinking no more today. I promise. I ain't gonna drink no more till the 27th. I'm just saying. I just try to keep our apartment.
I know. So I'm not.
32 grandkids. And
Okay.
they never come to my apartment.
Okay, I'm not gonna get into that. All I need.
Say 32.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 31 grandkids.
31.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 5 boys, 5 girls. And they love coming to my apartment, just, they don't live with me, but they just like to come and play.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 26th at 3. Next time you walk into my courtroom, you need to be sober.
Promise. I got a Bible in my purse.
No, let's not do that. All right.
Bible in my purse. Look him up. Thank you, Judge.
Yep, you take care.
I am.
Okay,
Thank
you
you so much.
go ahead. You just be safe out there, okay?
I'm gonna get on the bus. I just ride. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, no, we're not. No, we're not laughing at you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. How much you want to bet it's the wrong bus?